Today, let's make Sear pork loin dinner. I have roasted garlic and herb pork loin meat. For side dish, I have kabocha, sweet potato, and also I have mustard greens and hickory smoked bacon for the mustard green. Clean the kabocha and the sweet potatoes, red and purple sweet potatoes, and boil them in the water. Turn off the stove as soon as it's boiled. Drain the hot water and replace it with cold water because we don't want them to be mushy. Soak them in the cold water. Cut up onion to make the mustard green. Then put some olive oil in the pan and fry the onion. Cut the whole pack of bacon into 3 and put it into the pan. Put the mustard green into the pan and 1 cup of broth. Season it with salt, pepper, and garlic. Half cup of vinegar and some 2 tablespoons of sugar. Stir them up occasionally until they are cooked. Now let's cook the pork loin meat. Using olive oil, put the meat into the pan. Cook it in low heat for about half hour on each side and another half hour on the other side. They are cooked in nice color like this. Turn off the stove and close the lid and set it aside. Prepare the purple yam. Cut the red yam. Then cut the meat. They look nice, huh? We're going to use the sour cream. Now for plating, brush the sour cream into the plate. Put down the vegetables into the plate. Then arrange the red yam, the meat, and the purple yam. Don't forget the kabocha. Garnish it with mint leaves. Decorate it with purple flowers and mint leaves. Look at it. Our plate dinner looks so pretty now.